Morning. I'm probably the biggest bellend that you know. I've spent ages this morning doing a real good video. Took my time. Loads of different angle shots, telling a bit of a story. And I've just come to carry on and had a look at my mic, and my mic's been turned off. So yeah, what a bellend. So all the video I've done this morning is just a waste of time. That being said, I've seen a couple of decent subjects today. I've seen the peregrine falcon, which I first saw when I got to the car park, and that's what I was doing a bit of a video about, telling you where it was. So I've seen that, and I saw it on the pylons, and then it disappeared, and I thought, oh, I'm not going to get that today. And then I left it, and then I went into another hide, and I seen it fly kind of like horizontal to me. I got a couple of shots. I don't know how good they are, a bit far away, but still got a couple of shots. And then I've just been sitting in the other hide, just had a quick look to see if I could see kingfisher, and I thought I saw what did I think I saw? Buzzard, but it wasn't a buzzard, it was a marsh harrier, and it flew kind of towards me and then kind of went over there. Bit far away again, but I think I've still got a couple of shots I might be able to polish up. So I'm going to just have a walk up to the next hide on the hill, just have a look up there today. I've been into the other hide, the first hide with all the bird feeders out, and I actually went on the bottom level for a change. Didn't really see much down there, it's quite quiet. So yeah, I don't know, maybe I've got one or two today, but it's always all about the one, just one. Well, as usual, they completely got the weather wrong. It's supposed to be cloudy and grey by 11 o'clock. I think it's about 12 now, half 12. And yeah, the clouds are starting to come in a little bit, but yeah, stop paying attention to them weather people. I think they just look out the window and guess. Pretty quiet today, really. Not a lot going on. But that being said, tree creeper, red wings, marsh harrier and peregrine falcon. So kind of 3 or 4 different birds from the norm, even though it's been quiet and not many shots. So yep, worth coming out. Let's just hope one of them photos is good. See just by the pylon to the left of the pylon, there's a buzzard, but I came around the corner and I came around the corner and I saw it sitting on just flying onto the tree over there, and I thought it was a marsh harrier at first. Yeah, got a bit excited, but it wasn't. It was a buzzard. I still got a couple of shots, I think. Maybe it kind of flew around here for a bit, but the sun was the best when it was kind of over there, and by then it had kind of gone up a bit. I don't know, might have got a couple of shots. Not a bad day then, really, I suppose. Obviously got to wait to get back and see what they're like, but as far as ticking my little bird book, which I haven't got, not a bad day. Right, I'm just going to stick my head up there and see if the kingfisher's showing, which I doubt very much it is. I don't have much luck with kingfishers, do I? But you never know. It might be there, it might just be sitting there on this new stick. No. See, because they put these sticks there, no, just in front of the hide, which is brilliant, really. It's where they should be, but yet to see a kingfisher on them. Guy I was speaking to last week said he's got some shots of it on there. He said, but you did have to wait a long time for it to turn up. I haven't got the patience now. And as I said, it's time to go home. I've had enough. What YouTube video is complete without walking through a gate shot? And there's a little chiff-chaff here, bouncing up and down on the side of the bushes. I think probably collecting insects. I might have a go, see if I can get some shots of that. Well, it looks like I timed it right. The clouds are coming over now, it's getting really grey, and there's nothing else really happening. So, until next time, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.